Ingi nandi mabisa bakithomo barabetire ritaya borite thirikari kuthuganiria ringi rendekithia ria uria kubuta arimu ba JSS bakiaria bari interecha kirachachuka mabisa baba bakaraja baugite kubuta arimu babana nibo ba mbere ni untu bukaritia bunene kithomo kiki kinandi nuntu kinyani baba mbere kweja na moritani jaja
Babana arimo amona arugamiri bakithomo batene ba district ya Kirinyaga barabari ungirite ura ari muchunkoni wa wagiribu wa chukuru chia district yenu Eustace Nkoroinyaga wake ntere cha kiracha wadi ya Magumoni. Abisa baba barabari kite kuritaya ibauritia thirikari ijuki kithomo kiriga gitumi na batigane na kubuta arimo baraba igityo bari Magumoni bakirachikia junior secondary bakiwe gati kwari mabetia kurea kubandika ngugi chia utura atachio permanent and pensionable.
Arimo ma junior secondary maandikwe permanently. Tonto kumatua intern ni kuna ni matirikitie training. Na mwole mavomete matrainwa na matweka arimo registered with the TSC.
Tunaona tukiruhusa walimu wakifutwa kazi, it will be so discouraging, and yet quite a number of our schools hawana walimu wa kutosha. So mi ningeomba serikali iwaajiri wote.
Nkuruki ibatheterete arugamiri ba machukuru nyuma ya bill ya kigina kunyithia mbia cia kugaira machukuru untubura bakuga bugate machukuru ciage into bia gitumi bia gutethia kuthithia mbere kithomo bura kibatiri.
Mambo ya capitation, there is no way the education system will run properly without enough funds. Once they drill or they cut or they reduce, it means that the working force will not really achieve what is intended to be achieved.
For our head teachers and principals to learn school when they don't have adequate fund is becoming so stressful. So ninaomba serikali iongeze ile pesa inatumwa kwa mashure ili walimu wetu waweze kufanya kazi kama vile the school strategic plans wamepanga.
Into ile kugurwa iguru the cost of living is high. Kwenye biambesa ne kono ya wero nute kutekabula bati kudulu tikete. In any case kama viziko da mongererete kukirabula mabesa wambere.
Bariuga mathina mama mariumania na kuigua thirikari itaebangite bukugana kwambiria mutaratara wa kithomo wa CBC.
Subject ile kuthomithwa CBC ni subject nyingi na ni kwenda alimu engi no alimu mairi kana mathatu irathi ciere matikwithwa makiganaga no manoge muno kwogu ni mabati kuongererwa maandikwe alimo na maandikwe permanently.
There should have been some model schools before even CBC started. There should have been some model schools whereby this program is trained and is proved to be working. But the way it was taken, it was not given enough time for implementation so that other schools can be included.
Ende ibakwendekithia urutani bukugana buruthokire arimo kenda kithomo eku kithimbere bwega.
Refresher courses for teachers who are handling these CBC classes and even junior secondary classes.
Kagita kandi ungenu ibakathite Eustace Nkoroi nuntu babura baguga na batongeretio bwega kagita kara ari wirani ta munene wa kithomo utongoria bura bakuga no abu athiete mbere kuonania gukurukira urugamiri bwa chukuru era ambirie akuthiritaya ya Bright Rose Academy nterino cha kiracha.
We encouraged us to progress and put a lot of effort for our schools to perform. It's the way I've seen here. The trophies that I saw in that office could tell me that you still keep that spirit of good for performance.
Wira waku Mr. Nyaga was very good, very encouraging. Now once tukegwe gati ona ithu tukuruta wira, we had that will. We had the will to work. No do example ira watu seterete. The way I have seen this school, surely it is something to be recommended. Madam Nyaga and Mr. Nyaga, that is excellent work.
Nkiripotera weru weekendi kuma gichigo bunge achuka igamba ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gashima.